In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bills in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant managing multiple accounts, knowing how to effectively create bills in Zoho Books can streamline your workflow and keep your records accurate and up to date. Let's start by navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you've logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You'll notice the menu on the left-hand side where you'll find a variety of features at your disposal. Among these, locate and click on Bills. This section is where you'll manage all bill-related transactions. With the Bills page open, you'll see an option for New. Clicking on New allows you to create a new bill. You'll be directed to a detailed form where you can input all necessary bill information. Begin creating your bill by selecting a vendor. The vendor is the entity or individual you're receiving the bill from. Carefully choose the correct vendor from your list. If your vendor isn't already listed, you'll need to add them to your contacts for seamless integration. Next, type in the bill number. The bill number is usually provided by your vendor, and it's crucial for tracking purposes. It helps in easily retrieving and referring to the specific transaction in the future. You'll now need to choose a bill date. This date reflects when the bill was issued and is essential for financial accuracy and record keeping. Following this, choose a due date. The due date indicates when the bill needs to be paid. It's important to set this correctly to avoid any late fees or penalties from vendors. Moving on, fill out the item table. This section lets you itemize the goods or services you're being billed for. You'll start by selecting an item from your pre-listed inventory. If the item doesn't exist in your list, you'll need to manually input the details, which you can then save for future use. Once you have your item, type in the quantity. Ensure that the number accurately reflects what you're being billed for to prevent any discrepancies. Following this, select the appropriate tax rate. Taxes can vary depending on the item, service, and jurisdiction, so it's essential to choose the correct tax that applies to the bill you are creating. Finally, once all your entries are complete and double-checked for accuracy, click on Save as Open. This action saves your bill and marks it as open, meaning it awaits payment. And there you have it. You've successfully created a bill in Zoho Books. Recording bills accurately ensures your financial records are clear and keeps your business operations running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more accounting and business management tutorials.